So yun nga, I have a new student who come to me. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, nag-enroll daw siya sa online course na ino-offer na property investing sa Pilipinas. And then after that, she came to know that the course is AI created. And I asked her kung na-background check ba niya yung nagpo-produce ng online course na yon, and she said no. So see, kung ikaw ay gustong mag-invest sa Pilipinas at gusto mong matuto, I highly suggest na look for a mentor, one-on-one mentor, at saka dapat bina-background check nyo din yung mentor kung ano ba yan, experience ba yan, or like, mas maganda kung yung mentor na kukunin nyo is meron na siyang good portfolio sa Pilipinas. So, dun kasi, mas ituturo niya na sa inyo yung mga natutunan niya. So, just like me, katulad sa akin, I have over a decade experience now. Yung iba nga dyan, 5 years experience, nag-o-offer na din ng online courses. So, if I were you, kung gusto mo talagang maging successful sa rental business, wag kang magtipid, pay for mentorship. Kasi yan yung mas mapapabilis yung pag-succeed mo sa pag-i-invest, at saka mas makakasave ka ng mas madaming pera kasi maituturo na lahat sa iyo yung mga bagay at may skip mo na lahat yung mga pwede mong maging kamali. So like me, I highly suggest one-on-one mentorship. So ako, I'm still meron pa akong slot for like mentorship kasi tumatanggap lang ako ng 10 sa sa buong taon. 10 lang ang gusto kong i-handle kasi nga I still have kids to manage. So hindi ko kayang i-dedicate yung full time. So 10 lang. So if you have time, send me an email and we can book you a consultation as well. Sa consultation din, I offer consultation for 1 hour with very cheap amount of money, but like the knowledge na makukuha mo ay sobra-sobra naman. So I can discuss with you the mentorship then program late during our consultation and see how you are. So kung talagang ikaw ay action taker and talagang gusto mong maging successful sa real estate, yeah, you can call me, or you can send me an email at claudinedgallagher@gmail.com, and let's chat about your plan, and hopefully I can help you